Picture a land where art, history and culture intertwine with breathtaking landscapes and vibrant city life. Yes, you're thinking about Italy. This enchanting country is renowned for its world-class cuisines, spectacular art, cutting-edge fashion, and a history that is as rich as its famous espresso. From the sun-kissed coastlines to the rolling vineyards of the countryside, the dynamic cities buzzing with life, Italy is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So buckle up as we embark on this Italian adventure. Our journey begins in Rome, a city where ancient history and modern life coexist. Rome, the Eternal City, is a timeless masterpiece that has preserved the imprints of a glorious past while embracing the vibrancy of the present. Imagine strolling through the heart of Rome, where the iconic Colosseum stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. As you wander further, you'll find Vatican City, a sovereign city-state within Rome, home to the magnificent St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums. Here you'll marvel at the Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's awe-inspiring frescoes. But Rome is not just about ancient ruins and sacred art. It's a city that never sleeps, pulsating with life from dawn till dusk. Its bustling piazzas, charming cafes, and vibrant nightlife are as captivating as its historical sites. And the cuisine? Absolutely divine. From hearty pasta dishes to the crispy, thin crust pizza. Rome is a gastronomic paradise. From history buffs to foodies, Rome has something for everyone. Next, we journey to the enchanting city of Venice, a city that seems to float on water. Imagine a cityscape where winding canals replace bustling roads and gondolas glide smoothly in place of rattling city traffic. This is Venice, a marvel of architectural genius, a testament to man's ingenuity in harmonizing with nature's whims. Venice is a city of romance, where lovers can steal a quiet moment in a gondola under the Bridge of Sighs. As you navigate the narrow waterways, the majestic St. Mark's Square looms into view, a magnificent spectacle of Venetian opulence. Not too far away, the Doge's Palace stands tall, an imposing symbol of Venice's glorious past. And if you happen to visit during the Carnival of Venice, you'll be swept up in a whirlwind of colour, music and masquerade, a festival that truly encapsulates the spirit of this magical city. Venice is a city that captivates the hearts of all who visit. We then head to Florence, a city that's a living, breathing, open-air museum. This city, known as the Cradle of the Renaissance, is a haven for art enthusiasts and history buffs. It is here where the Renaissance, a period of great cultural change and achievement, began in the 14th century and spread throughout Europe. Florence is home to some of the world's most renowned landmarks. The Duomo, an awe-inspiring cathedral with a striking red dome that dominates the city skyline, and the Uffizi Gallery, which houses an extensive collection of priceless works from the period of the Italian Renaissance. This city isn't just about history and art. It's also a paradise for fashionistas. Florence is internationally recognized for its high-quality leather products, with shops and markets offering an array of handcrafted goods. For art lovers and history enthusiasts, Florence is a dream come true. So pack your bags and get ready to step back in time to the era of the Renaissance in this charming Italian city. Our Italian adventure may be ending, but yours is just beginning. We've journeyed through the Eternal City, floated through Venice and basked in the Renaissance glory of Florence. Imagine yourself in these places, soaking in the rich history, the vibrant culture and the mouth-watering cuisine. But don't just dream about it, make it happen. Don't forget to subscribe to Trek Tales and like this video for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.